luxury. It's screaming like what they say, shout out to somebody's son for gifting us this hair. I bought this hair with my money. Like, I bought it with my money. Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You are welcome back to another video. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Stephanie and you're welcome to Stephy's Space. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and joining the family. You are so welcome. And to my returning subscribers, hi my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. You guys already know now. Thank you so much for your support. This girl is so grateful. Okay, yeah, so in today's video, you already know by the title now, it's an unboxing video. Yeah, I'm so excited about this one. You'll be like, yes, you're always excited about unboxing, but you see, this one is a very special unboxing. Like, it's one of my favorite things. Yeah, so I decided to share it with you guys. So yeah, I decided to come on here. I'm actually rushing to go out, but I want to unbox this thing here before going out. Yep. So yeah, I got this hair from Film Luster and I decided to come on here to unbox it to you guys. I'm actually going to the stylist place to style this hair for me, like right now, but I decided to, okay, let me unbox this hair here before leaving. Yep. So I got this hair from Film Luster. Can you see that? Film Luster Raw Experience. Yeah, their name is Film Luster on Instagram. Raw Experience. All right, so we're going to be unboxing it. It came in this box that you're seeing, this beautiful bag. Actually a bag. It came with this beautiful bag here, and I don't know. Okay, so let's just get into unboxing this thing. So yeah, we're going to be removing the stapler it came with. Shall we? Okay, first, village key. You untie this. It came with this first. We're gonna be untying it. You untie this and then open this way. Open it, stapler, and then voila! Yay! I'm so excited about this bag. And then you lose this. Let's lose this. How is this one now? The rope is too long. Is it to secure the hair? The hair needs to be secured. So when you open this, you bring out the goodness. You bring out the goodness, and then it came in this this hair net as well. Oof, 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 oof. Can you see that? See, let me remove this hair so it will not take the beauty of this hair. Yep, 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 yep. Can you see that? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Like, are you seeing this? Are you seeing the list? Make this thing focus. So I got the 6x6 6x6 closure, not frontal. I got the 6x6 closure. And it smells so nice. Oh my goodness, it smells so nice. Can you see that? We shall wait. Can you see that? Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror here. This hair needs to be styled. Like, can you see that? Wait, let me show you guys. See, video is not doing justice to this hair you're seeing. Like, video is not doing justice to this hair. Can you see it? This is not a sponsored ad though. I bought this hair with my money. Like, I bought it with my money. I paid full. This is not a sponsored ad, please. Can you see that? Like I love this hair. I would even prefer to do it side like this. Let's say like this. Do you understand? This one goes all the way back and bring on my ear. This one goes all the way back while I twist this to the front. Can you see this? I don't want to cut this myself. I can actually cut it though, but I don't want to risk it. I don't want to what? Risk it. I don't want to what? I'm looking at the mirror there. I don't want to what? Risk it. Can you see that? Can you see this? Can you see the way it's going? See the way it's wrapping. This video is not doing justice to this hair. When I say it's not doing justice to this hair, it's not doing at all. Can you see it? Hair is lush. Like, this hair is screaming luxury. It's screaming like what? Luxury. The hair is screaming luxury. Can you see? So yeah, this is their 22 inches mass cut, 300 gram. This is a 6x6 closure. It's not a frontal. Where's the lace, please? Are you seeing the lace? And I got this hair for 665,000 naira. So this is it. I prefer buying the luxury hair. Buy it, just close my eyes, buy it, one is one, and then rest. See, I'm of the philosophy that says, if you see something and you like it, you can afford it, my dear, go for it. See, this life now one, so yeah. So that is it. Can you see this hair? I can't wait. I can't wait to style this hair, like style it and wear it, and you know, wear some makeup. Yeah, so that is it for this unboxing. I'm going to the salon now to style it, or maybe yeah, I'm going to style it, and then I will show you guys when I'm done styling it. And then any day I wear it, I'm still gonna put a picture, because yeah. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe please if you're not subscribed yet. Please help this channel to grow, and leave a comment for me, a sweet comment please. Turn on your post notification button so you get notified when I post my next video. Share if you can, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Baby.